Today, I'm heading to one of Qingdao's most iconic spots, the Olympic Sailing Center. This place blends coastal beauty, Olympic history, and modern design in one unforgettable experience. Qingdao Metro trains crews at an average speed of 120 kilometers per hour. Fast, quiet, and perfect for city exploring. I hopped on Metro Line 2. It dropped me just a short walk away from the Olympic Sailing Center. Now, I'm walking along Zhuhai Road, a beautiful street that leads straight to the Olympic Sailing Center. It's lined with leafy trees, offering a cool, shaded walk and picture-perfect views in every direction. On both sides, buildings glow with soft, elegant lighting. High-end boutiques and luxury shops add a touch of glamour to the quiet atmosphere. This isn't just a road, it feels like a stylish entrance to the sea. Welcome to the Qingdao Olympic Sailing Center. I will show you guys the most prominent shots I took from this beautiful place. This center was built for the 2008 Beijing Olympics. It hosted all sailing events, bringing international attention to Qingdao's coast. 60+ countries competed here in 2008. The flags still wave today, celebrating a legacy of sportsmanship. Along the way, local merchants have set up colorful displays, selling everything from souvenirs and snacks to handmade crafts. This place isn't just about sailing, it's a full-on experience. You can hop on a boat tour, cruising along the coast for a fresh view of Qingdao's skyline and sparkling harbour. If you're hungry, there's no shortage of flavour. The restaurants here serve some of the city's best dishes. Kids are laughing and playing in game zones filled with colourful rides, small carnival games and inflatable playgrounds. Local performers fill the space with music, art and dance, giving the area a creative, festival-like vibe. There's even a movie theatre nearby, perfect for catching a film after sunset. One of the most iconic sites here is the Qingdao Olympic Sailing Center lighthouse, standing proudly at the edge of the pier. Don't miss the Olympic Sailing Museum. It highlights Qingdao's deep connection with the sea. As soon as you arrive, the sea breeze hits you, fresh, salty, and full of energy. It's easy to see why this spot was chosen as the sailing venue for the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Plenty of tasty local favourites here, and lots of cool spots to discover along the way. This iconic venue spans 45 hectares and includes state-of-the-art facilities like the Athletes Village, Media Centre and a bustling marina. In recent years, the centre has attracted over 1 million visitors annually, making it one of Qingdao's most popular destinations. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you loved the video. See you next time for more amazing places.